A power outage can turn from a minor inconvenience into a serious problem faster than most people realize. The refrigerator stops, the internet goes down, your phone dies, and suddenly the things we depend on every single day are no longer guaranteed, which is kind of scary sometimes. And this is exactly why portable power stations have become one of the fastest growing solutions for emergency backup, off grid living, RV traveling, camping, and anyone who wants more control over their energy. But the problem is that many power stations, they force you to choose between, power, portability, charging speed, battery life. And the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2 is designed to remove many of those compromises by combining a large battery capacity, powerful output, fast charging, and smart energy management into one compact system. And the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2 is built around a 2048 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, also known as LiFePO4s. And this battery technology has become popular because it offers better safety, improved stability, and a much longer lifespan compared to older battery chemistries. And according to Anker, the C2000 Gen 2 is rated for up to 4,000 charge cycles before reaching around 80% capacity, which means this is designed to be used for years instead of being a device you replace after a short period of time. And when it comes to output, this power station is not just designed for charging phones and small electronics. It provides up to 2,400 watts of continuous AC output with a 4,000 watt peak output capacity. That means it can handle much larger devices like refrigerators, power tools, kitchen appliances, computers, and many RV appliances that would normally require a much bigger generator. In about 2 minutes into this video, if you want to learn more about the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2, check the link in the description where you can view the product details, see the full specifications, and find options to purchase it if it fits your setup. And whether you're looking for emergency backup power, a camping solution, or a way to improve an off-grid system, having all the specifications available before buying is extremely important. And one of the biggest advantages of modern battery power stations is that they give you backup power without many of the downsides of traditional generators. You don't have to fuel to the store, or you don't have to have fuel to store. You don't have to engine maintenance, and you don't have the same noise levels. The C2000 Gen 2 is designed to operate quietly, making it a useful inside home workshop, RVs, and campsites where running a loud gas generator is not practical. Charging speed is another major area where this unit stands out. Nobody wants to wait all day for a battery backup system to recharge, especially during emergencies. And the C2000 Gen 2, it supports fast AC charging and solar charging options, allowing users to restore the power quickly when connected to the right charging source. It also supports solar input up to 800 watts, making it possible to recharge using solar panels when traditional electricity is unavailable. And for people interested in off-grid living, this type of system can become the center of an emergency setup or energy setup. Instead of depending completely on the electric grid, you can combine solar panels with the C2000 Gen 2 to capture energy during the day and store it for later use. And this makes it useful for tiny homes, cabins, remote work setups, van life, and emergency preparedness. Another important feature is the built-in UPS capacity. UPS, it stands for uninterrupted power supply, and it allows the power station to switch over quickly when electricity is lost. And the C2000 Gen 2 offers a 10 millisecond UPS response time, which can help keep sensitive electronics like computers, networking equipment, and other devices running during short power interruptions. And the design of the C2000 Gen 2 also focuses on that flexibility. It includes multiple AC outlets, USB ports, USB-C charging, a car output, and expansion capabilities. And the USB-C ports can deliver high-speed charging for modern devices like laptops, tablets, and other electronics. And for users who travel frequently, having one device that can charge everything from small gadgets to large appliances reduces the amount of equipment they need to carry. Another feature worth mentioning is the expandability too. If 2,048 watt hours is not enough for you, the system can be expanded with an additional battery. Increased storage capacity to around 4 kilowatt hours. That makes it much more useful for longer outages or situations where you need the more demanding power equipment for extended periods. And the C200 Gen 2 is also designed for smart energy management features. Though the Anker SOLIX app, users can monitor battery levels, control settings, and manage how the system charges and operates. Smart features like this are becoming increasingly important because energy management is not just about having a large battery. It's about using the energy efficiently and making sure it is available when you actually needed it. And of course, no power station is perfect for everyone. A unit like this is designed for people who need serious backup power, not someone who only wants to charge a phone once in a while camping. The large battery and storage inverter mean it's more capable, but it also means it is large and heavy than small portable chargers. And the key is matching the equipment to your actual needs. And for homeowners, the C2000 Gen 2 can provide peace of mind during storms and outages. And for campers, they can provide a cleaner and quieter alternative for traditional generators. And for that off-grid user, it can become part of a larger solar energy system. And for anyone who simply wants to be prepared, having stored energy available can make a major difference when unexpected situations happen. The biggest takeaway is that the portable power technology has changed dramatically. And these devices, they're no longer just oversized phone chargers. Modern power stations like the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2 are becoming practical energy solutions that can support homes, vehicles, outdoor activities, and emergency situations. So if you want to see the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2 for yourself, check out the link in the description to view the product, compare the specifications, and see the purchase options. So, make sure you look at your own power requirements, the device you want to run, and how much battery storage you actually need before making a decision. Because the Anker SOLIX Gen 2 C2000 Gen 2 represents where portable power is heading. More storage, faster charging, smarter controls, and more independence for the traditional power grid. And whether you're preparing for emergencies, building an off-grid lifestyle, or just want that reliable backup energy, having a powerful battery system available can be one of the smartest upgrades you make. Thanks for watching today, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're looking to grow our channel here, and without your subscription, we can't do that. We are also collaborating with Little Roof Big Sky, which is another channel of mine. Please subscribe there as well. We're looking to grow that channel too. Have a good day, and we will see you guys tomorrow.